Oh, you got it.
Ready? This is your camera.
And then people wonder why we're rude to Bilal, huh?
I literally just saw the comment. लिखा हुआ था वैसे there shouldn't be rude to
Yeah, you guys don't know Bilal. That's why you say things like this.
Bilal is just.
Bilal's 90. यहाँ पे आ जाते हो मुंह उठा के. इस पे गालियाँ नहीं बनती इस शक्ल पे.
इसमें आपकी कूलिंग नहीं ऑन?
नहीं on. I need your guy.
मिस्त्री चाहिए आपको, बिजली वाला चाहिए आपको, एसी कूलेंट वाला चाहिए.
You know when you think you got your life on track, it all starts falling apart.
Always. I just love that about life. कल सुबह मैं जल्दी उठ के फुल जोश में मैं घर से निकल रहा हूँ 9:30 बजे और पता चलता है कि पूरा बेसमेंट फ्लड हो गया. कल सुबह का भी यही प्लान है कि जल्दी उठना है, जल्दी से कुछ करना है, लेकिन करते कराते वही होना है 11-12 बज जाने. नाजिर मेरा नाम यासिर बोरी है मेरे साथ.
Yeah, hello.
और आज हम बनाएंगे
Momo/dumplings. Dumplings.
लेकिन हमारे पास कोई स्टीमिंग वाली चीज नहीं है.
So the recipe that I looked for, which is how do you do it without a steamer, was apparently you create little balls of aluminium foil.
क्या मतलब उनको एल्युमिनियम फॉइल के अंदर डालना है?
नहीं,
Each dumpling
No.
separately and then you cook it.
Oh, I missed
इतना
this.
सारा एल्युमिनियम फॉइल डाल के कुकर के अंदर
Individually. Like you make like a tennis ball shape of aluminium foil just.
with a racket.
उसको आप 3 पैन में डालते हो ना,
हाँ.
and then you put a pan on top of it. It's only meant for कि आप उसके ऊपर plate डालो, and then नीचे you put some water, so then the water steams,
Goes circling.
and then it steams up the plate.
Then drops back down.
Yeah.
Condensation. मुझे नहीं समझ में आया. सलीमी, वो तो आप कर रहे हो, कैमरा सब सही है कि नहीं? मतलब के more focus on that. And over here we are okay, sound we are okay, sound is rolling.
Tareem, our new camera person, follow her.
Who that? We have a piece of person who's
कैसे करते
this is the type of production we run.
What am I doing? Tareem is our graphic design intern for Black Parrot Studios.
Yes.
But she's also a Cooking Chaos fan.
Tareem से पूछ ले, what are her thoughts at being in this space right now? Good. Amazing. I like it. She is speechless. She doesn't know what.
Live
to say.
audience.
Yes.
Yeah, this is our first
This is our live
episode.
audience. Yes. उस टफ गाय को भी जरा दिखाना एक बार.
Yeah, Tareem, can you keep an eye on my phone as well as someone random text? Because शायद कोई कामिल चीमा आ जाए.
This is what AR does with interns. He asks them to just keep a watch of his phone. Everybody, it's AR's birthday today. मेरी आवाज ही कट गई. It's AR's birthday. Everybody wish him happy birthday in the comments.
It'll be 2 weeks out at this point.
That's true. ये episode will
Happy
come out.
belated birthday आप मुझे.
आज क्या डेट है? 23rd of September है. Mark your calendars. 23rd of September is AR day.
Yes.
You have to get up in the morning, wear your topi, put it to the back, and then start your day. Until you don't flip it to the back, you're not celebrating AR day properly.
But you also have to shave your head.
You just have to take off some big chunks like this, just pull out some hair, and then you'll become just like
AR day requires quite a lot of commitment actually.
hair
You
loss.
have to have premature balding.
And a Y-shaped body.
Chest big, arms big, legs looking like toothpicks. That Y-shaped body.
Who's that?
It's an Asher! Asher, have you wished your birthday boy happy birthday, your brother?
I have.
Have you?
Yes.
You know it's his birthday?
Yes.
You don't know? Asher, you should wish him, please. Asher, you guys grew up together.
You know the fun thing is that our family does not care about birthdays at all. Like we don't barely celebrate.
I also don't care. Too much attention.
Way too much attention.
You do you. Don't bother me.
Or if you could have a celebration कि यार आ जाओ सब मिलते हैं
हाँ,
बैठते हैं.
हाँ.
But nobody look at me.
हाँ, मुझे focus ना दे. Asher, it's his birthday. Asher, you didn't wish today. Every day is a birthday. Because every day, if you are waking up and your eyes are opening, then you're still alive. Then it's another birth.
It's like coming out of the womb.
Yes.
Same experience.
Exactly.
Are you guys trying not to have a boring episode? Because everyone said the last one was really
Hey.
What you saying?
What are you saying? What are you trying to say? That we made a boring episode? You watch it.
That's rude.
That's just plain blasphemy. In our world, it's a blasphemous.
So
thing.
what? We had a boring episode, huh?
So what if we
Is it a crime?
Yeah. So what if we did not have so much chaos and we actually enjoyed ourselves by just having
Yeah.
some regular spicy wings?
And all of you guys in the comments just expecting to have an interesting
Oh,
episode.
इसमें कुछ ज्यादा chaos नहीं हुआ, मजा नहीं आया. आप लोगों ने एक दूसरे के जो है सर नहीं काटे, मजा नहीं आया. You guys want boring? We'll give you actual boring. If you guys want a boring episode, hey, yeah, I will not talk. And now let's just make dumplings.
No, I don't like this silence. You know what? I think we should make a character out of Wali. Wali is our boy at YouTube partner. Kya? Partner program.
He's like the head of YouTube for Pakistan. Guys, you guys are primed for future success.
Hey buddies, घबराना नहीं है बिल्कुल भी यार. Come on, मैं सिंगापुर में बैठ के क्या करता हूँ सारा दिन? सिर्फ कुकिंग की ओर देखता हूँ. नंबर्स नहीं है, फॉलोअर्स नहीं है, सब्सक्राइबर्स नहीं है, डॉलर्स नहीं आ रहे तो क्या हुआ? एक दिन आएगा YouTube खुद चल के आएगा. You are doing amazing job, amazing job.
No, but why don't we make him a demotivational guy?
Hey buddies, यार मुझे कॉल करने के बजाय I would suggest कि तुम लोग कुछ और कर लो. मतलब YouTube पे कुकिंग क्या बनाने से बेहतर है कि just open a hotel और be a chef. कहीं वेटर लग जाओ, कुछ भी कर लो, ज़्यादा पैसे कमाओगे. YouTube में रह के कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला कुकिंग क्या उसको. Come on यार, come on. मैं मतलब सिंगापुर में ये करने तो नहीं बैठा ना कि मैं तुम लोगों के फोन अटेंड करता रहूँ और तुम लोगों को मोटिवेट करता रहूँ. Bye.
It'll be fun like 6 years down the line when this show is extremely bitter, right?
When was
Yeah. Oh, great! Another recipe.
what are we making today? What are people not going to watch? Huh? Dumplings banana hai.
Oh, so a quick shout out to Milky. Milky sent us these.
Myra Milky sent us these.
Yes, Myra Milky sent us these, and Myra Milky sent us these also.
Ice cream scoopers.
Ice cream scoopers. Thank you, Myra Milky.
Ole.
So we have this dumpling episode as a Mexican theme episode.
Okay, we can make Mexican dumplings.
Yes.
Even though dumplings are an Asian or Chinese dish. क्या करना है?
Please get out the recipe.
I don't want to do anything.
Nay, when we don't follow the recipe, it's actually really bad. Spicy wings were not spicy wings at all. It was just boiled chicken.
Yeah, because we relied on the
Dip It.
Dip It. They never sponsored us. They never replied to my. Well, they replied once to my message.
This is what I'm reading these days. What are you reading?
Simple
Which one?
video, 3-minute वाली video. यही है.
Okay, then we're making steamed chicken momos.
Momos originated in Tibet and dim sum is a product of China. मैं पता कल रात को एक वीडियो देख रहा था about the Chinese and how they use their keyboards because you know they have so many characters, thousands and thousands of characters rather than letters. It was a very interesting video.
Please, जब भी से ये इसको काटो. यार, Slim, nice प्याज choice यार.
Oh, very खूबसूरत ना? This one I don't want to cut. इसकी तो शादी करवाओ यार. इसका रिश्ता करवा के इसकी
जल्दी
शादी.
before it goes off the rails.
इसकी बारात निकलवाओ जल्दी से. I want to attend its वलीमा dinner. पहले इसको chop up करना चाहिए.
नहीं, they putting cubes in straight in.
In
Yeah,
that.
so this is gonna be messed up, no?
Yeah. Just I'd say just let's keema it with our hands.
It's been so long since we've done any cooking. Like no, other than this show, no cooking happens in this kitchen. Aisha made pasta yesterday, and she said it made her feel so depressed.
Why? Because she had to cook.
No, just because of how badly she made it.
प्याज को क्या chop करना है कि dice करना है?
Dice half a teaspoon of namak.
इसी चिकन को हम हाथ से नहीं chop up कर रहे हैं.
नहीं.
कीमा नहीं बना रहे. इसी के अंदर डालना फिर.
Look at this cute little onion.
Give me the cutest one. इन दोनों की शादी करवा रहे हैं blender के अंदर. आपका रिश्ता हो गया उनके साथ. क्या आपको कबूल है? कबूल है जी, कबूल है. इन्होंने कबूल कर लिया है. चलो जी, इनके साथ मिलावट करें इनको.
You know, can we have a shout out for someone who we have no connection with?
Absolutely, always ready to give shout outs.
वो जो My Type store वाले हैं ना?
कौन?
I sent you their little glass jars जो उनके stickers होते हैं.
Did they send you anything?
No.
Did you order anything?
नहीं, I wanted.
Why did you order?
I've been meaning to.
वो जिनके jars हैं जिनके ऊपर label हुआ है ना? That's what you're talking about.
It's just one of those things that you see on Instagram and you're like, yeah,
These
my
days-
life would be so much better.
These days I am doing a lot of this, getting influenced by Instagram ads
Do you
and
think
then
it's because you're internally
ordering
depressed?
stuff.
Consumerism, now you're depressed and therefore you buy things and then you to make yourself feel better.
I don't do it to make myself feel better, but whenever I do buy something, I do feel better. There's a difference.
No.
फर्क तो है.
One of them is just you kidding yourself. Okay, I don't need this, but if I have it, it'll be nice.
Yeah.
It's the same thing, na?
नहीं.
Same thing.
एक नहीं, कुछ लोग ऐसे
Yeah,
होते
saying
हैं.
you're depressed.
So, what's the conclusion? One is shopaholism and one is happiness from shopping. Big difference, in my opinion. यार कहते हैं it's all the same. What do you guys think? Tell us in your comments. अब बस taste you. Yeah, should we use our rag? It gives me like a Lebanese scarf vibe. حبيبي كيف حالك؟ كيف حالك؟ كيف حالك؟ الحمد لله. Oh, very nice.
Literally the bluntest knife. Might as well be cutting with a spoon. If you don't have a food processor, you can just use a blender. If you don't have a knife, you can just cut things with spoons.
What's going on over here in the back over here? What's going on over here?
What is it?
What is this? All this nonsense on your? It's as though you have dry paint over here, or is it still like ink from
Maybe.
day before yesterday when you chircofied everywhere? It's his birthday, Arsha. Come on. Pa 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 pa. जो कौमी तराना आप गा रहे हैं ये तो अमेरिका का है और अब मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा कि इंग्लैंड का कौमी तराना कैसे चलता है. अल्लाह हमारी रानी को बचाए. अल्लाह हमारी रानी को बचाए.
Allah.
या अल्लाह. Did Mikhail leave his car behind?
I think Mikhail and us did a swap.
Why?
Mikhail gave me his car and he took a pawn from there.
ना करो.
I think so.
अगर if he's taken any pawn from there, it's gone.
Na karo.
क्या कहाँ से मिलेगा मुझे? It must be under your sofa or stuff.
I don't want to
He
falsely
didn't take.
accuse
No. Don't accuse my son of taking your pawns. Whereas you took my son's car. Billy, check underneath the sofa. The pawn must be in there. Please check right now. Go under the sofa. Pawn एक निकालो. Chess piece निकालो. मिल गया? ये pawn है. ये उसका pawn है.
असल में है? So,
पूरा हो गया set.
please give my apologies to Mikhail.
How dare you? अच्छा जी, कितना कॉर्न स्टार्च डालना है इसके अंदर?
ये है corn flour 1 tablespoon.
ये हम बहुत स्लो कर रहे हैं बाय द वे.
नहीं ये edit अभी edit करेगा. Because Ibi now has to edit 1 episode a week.
Yeah! We're gonna try and make it a weekly thing. Let's see. And side to side.
Take off the lid and we'll just use a spoon.
Take off the lid.
Yeah, give me a chopstick.
क्या कर रहे हो? अंदर घुटना डाल देना. ओए! हाँ?
ये नहीं होगा.
क्यों?
Shaking method is the best method. ये सही नहीं है वैसे.
सही है.
अब ये बाकी चिकन के साथ
ये बाय द वे ये स्टीम से सारा कुक हो जाएगा क्या? इसको पहले थोड़ा सा कुक करना है. कच्चा ही डालना है इसके अंदर सारा.
chop again.
इसके बड़े वाले हमने 2 लिए थे, फिर प्लास्टिक वाला भी एक था, वो किधर गए हैं? You had 2-3 knives. There's a knife thief.
Mikhail. Let me make the maida mix.
हाँ?
मैदा का जो मिक्स है ना मैं वो बना दूँ.
मैदा. I thought you said Milo. Milo mix.
मैदा.
मैदा.
Okay, have your fun.
अब इसके अंदर मैं बाकी सारी चीजें और चीजें डालूंगा. ये AR का काम है, वो जब मर्जी उसका दिल चाहेगा वो वापस आके काम करेगा. AR is in Hunza and let's continue with our dumplings, momos that I will make Hunza style so that we bring back AR from Hunza and he can eat over here. लहसुन चॉप करना है मुझे. Good Sarini. Very proud of you. जिंदगी दे सारे मजे कैश करोगे.
You know when you press it with your knife?
You crush it. तो ये सारी चीजें उतर जाती हैं.
Yeah, easily.
Okay. Very good, Terim. Shout out, Terim. Shout out. Yeah, are you learning something? Yeah, doesn't know jack. इसको close up में दिखाना.
Why are you putting the chilka?
Oh. What am I doing? Wow. Tareem just taught me how to crush garlic.
Nice.
Do you know how to crush garlic?
No.
It's so much fun. You have no idea what you're missing out
With the
on.
flat of the knife.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I've been doing that since like season 1.
Look at that! Look at this!
Okay,
Look at that!
Okay, that's you. I don't do it with the skin.
ये एपिसोड पोस्ट में देखने का इतना मजा आएगा मुझे.
No, now our episodes are boring.
What's that? Whose is that?
It's a head cushion. Bilal has a Cookie Monster version and I have an Elmo version.
Chalo, rest of the episode. This is the new edition.
We have to make it interesting for you guys, I guess. Not content with just making something.
Okay, how's this?
We come in like clown outfits. Are you entertained now?
Thanks, Myra.
Oh, you look cool, man. You look like Prison Mike.
Exactly what I was going for. Prison Mike.
I am here to scare you straight!
Okay, this feels actually very comfortable.
You know, I've just realized.
What have you
Like,
realized?
you have like hair on your hand. Like, you see this hair?
Yes,
Like, why don't people care about that hair?
that is touching your food and everything.
Nahi?
Because you're washing it. If
Nobody
you wash
wants
your
any
head
hair.
hair, you can actually put it in the food and it's okay.
See, this is why you should actually be wearing this all the time.
Yes,
you know?
all the time.
You should be wearing hair
Just like
nets.
you have your hat.
It's not because I'm going bald. It's
No,
because
not at all.
I care about food hygiene.
Hygiene.
You should have hand nets. Also known as gloves. Oh, look what Tareem got me for my birthday.
A smug.
Nice.
Very nice.
Thank you, Tareem.
Shout out. Put your chopstick.
Yeah, now everyone sees the benefits of a chopstick. Chopsticks मैं बाहर plants में भी इस्तेमाल करता हूँ. थोड़ा सा
Very, very correct.
top soil को थोड़ा सा उसका वो करना होता है because sometimes it becomes very hard. You know, I've become a little bit into gardening now.
Oh, really good.
मतलब okay, not really. We got those plants now. And
These plants outside.
And then I tried to propagate money plants because money plant is super easy to make to like propagate. It's like
Haven't you noticed that ever since you got these money plants, Black Parrot is getting more clients?
That's true. It's not because of hard work
No, hard work doesn't go a long way at all.
and dedication. Should I bring one of my money plants in here?
Sure. Let there be money and chaos.
है ना? ये आप यहाँ पे करते हो from the main money plant. This is all completely new growth.
नई शाखें.
नई शाखें. Isn't that fun?
Yes.
Thank you money plant. मैं यहाँ पे रखता हूँ आपको.
अब इंशाल्लाह आप देखोगे over the episodes it's gonna become this huge. और हमें sponsors आना शुरू हो जाएंगे.
We need to make a steamer. How do we make a steamer?
You tell me.
Yeah, don't do this, man. Should we just boil them? But I feel like the dough
Yeah.
would it fall apart?
Yes. Water.
नहीं, उसमें ये होता है कि when it's boiling ना, then you add it and you keep stirring it. आहिस्ता.
It's her cooking show or it's our cooking show?
I have no idea. What does it matter? It's never our cooking show. It's always other people's. Whoever is sitting
So
behind
we're
the
just
camera.
being really helpful.
Yeah. Chopped garlics going into the mixture. Full dancing. Full break dance.
Are you entertained?
Are you not entertained?
Okay, मेरा mixture तो ready है. आपका डो किधर है दोस्त?
मेरा डो 15 मिनट के लिए रेस्ट हो रहा है.
स्प्रिंग अनियंस की कभी ये बॉटम वाली चीजें इस्तेमाल होती हैं कि सिर्फ टॉप ही हर वक्त इस्तेमाल होता है?
स्प्रिंग अनियंस को उर्दू में क्या कहते हैं?
हरा प्याज.
हरा प्याज.
हरा प्याज. स्प्रिंग को उर्दू में क्या
It's
कहते
your
हैं?
cooking show or it's our cooking show?
स्प्रिंग को क्या कहते हैं उर्दू में? बहार. बहार प्याज. Bahar is a Turkish name for a ladies.
अच्छा.
If anybody is having a daughter and they want to name her a Turkish name, you can call her Bahar. Bahar. Bahar ना जाना. Bahar. मेरे के दियोर सुन. संगीत में. Quarter cup. See, if we had put the initial day of quarter wala joke, it would have been something today.
As if you had the option, well not if you had the option, you do have the option, but मैं वैसे ही कह
अगर आपके पास एक क्या होता? Choice होता.
मैं नहीं बोल रहा.
बोलो ना.
नहीं, I don't know, I can't buy.
Come on, it's your birthday. You need to talk. Happy birthday. Please talk. Treat. You have to talk. बोलो.
Boring है ना, आ जाओ.
बोल देना. अब बहुत बिल्डअप हो गया. अब तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा.
I was saying कि if you had the option, but you do have the option, but मैं वैसे ही कह रहा हूँ कि अगर आपके पास option होता, would you be a housewife? Like, would you like to be like a stay-at-home husband.
Yeah, I do part-time sometimes on certain days. I stay at home.
And do you enjoy it?
Yes, because you know what I do?
You watch TV. सारा बाहर जा रहा है.
बाहर बाहर जा रहा है बाहर. Cooking oil. Half a tablespoon. Tablespoon नहीं teaspoon डालना था. मैं देख रहा teaspoon नहीं 2 teaspoon cooking oil. सही है. But back on track. चलो इसको आप स्टोर कर लो for the next time you make dumplings or Asher can make dumplings. यार बर्थडे ट्रीट अपनी कॉफी बना.
यार 7:30 बज रहे हैं, क्या हो गया आपको?
तो जब मैं 5 बजे कह रहा था उस वक्त कॉफी बना सकता था तू. अब चाय बनाओ. क्या हुआ? Are you rolling? क्या हुआ? ना करो. You capture it. Yeah, and they want entertainment.
No,
Are you not entertained?
no, it's like we didn't get it. Take 17. Milk up the nose. Take 17.
Imagine if this was a scripted show,
है ना?
like having meetings about, okay, what are we gonna do in this episode?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta get milk up your nose.
And for God's sake,
The audience is
please
needing something.
make it look
The
real.
last spicy episode was terrible. Who scripted that? Must have been Bilal.
Like the guy.
Oh, it's the Chimas.
Oh, it's the Chimas. Follow them.
Follow them. It's the Chimas.
Hello.
Hello, Chimas.
Hello. We're barely in the process. There's still ages to
In
go.
the middle of a
I'm
chaos.
so pumped to be here.
Welcome, Chimas.
Also, happy
No
birthday.
explanation.
Oh, thank you. Thank
No
you. Thank you.
explanation
Happy
needed.
birthday.
Yes, I know. There is never any explanation.
Hey,
लोकल इसके साथ फिर कुछ यूज तो नहीं करोगे किचन में?
Oh.
I hope
बाद में
not.
डलेगा ये. Or it can be my permanent head fixture.
हम तैयार होके आए हैं.
Introduce yourselves.
Hi, I'm Kamil. This is Minahil.
I'm Nahil. He's my husband. I'm his wife.
Guys, tell us how you are going to spend your Valentine Day together.
Valentine के बहुत दूर है.
I know, but you know, नहीं जब भी कोई रोमांटिक कपल होता है ना, उनसे अक्सर मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया में यही पूछा, आप लोगों ने अपना वैलेंटाइन कैसा गुजारा है?
मैं बताती हूँ. हमने फर्स्ट अपना वैलेंटाइन एक कुकिंग क्लास ली थी.
Oh.
ये वैलेंटाइन हमारे लिए होस्ट करेंगे कुकिंग विद केओस.
Very nice.
क्या मैंने ऑडियंस का दिल जीत लिया.
आपने ऑडियंस का मुझे नहीं पता लेकिन होस्ट का तो दिल जीत लिया. यस यस
Nice.
वी अप्रूव. हम बना रहे डम्पलिंग्स
Momos.
और
But we don't have.
में कहते हैं मोमोज.
We don't have a steamer.
The most basic thing you can do is if you have a strainer of sorts.
Yes, we do.
देचकी में पानी रख के उसके ऊपर स्ट्रेनर रखो और ऊपर से ढक देंगे उसको. पानी नीचे
Like
से
this strainer?
No.
Bigger.
मुझे
Pasta.
Like this strainer?
नहीं यार मुझे बताते तो मैं ले आती.
This is the big strainer.
नहीं.
Bigger than this. That was pasta one ना?
हाँ वो जो पास्ता वाला होता है.
ये मेरा है ना? This is why Aruj keeps asking me. यार के पास सारी चीजें पड़ी हुई हैं. He's got my son's toys over here. He's got my dog's pet food over here. Look at those biscuits.
मुबारक हो यार ये AC चलता है.
है ना? और बहुत fit चलता है.
फिर चलता है.
And you know, my bill was still exactly the same this time.
क्या ये इन्वर्टर वाला है?
Exactly the same.
But you must have used the AC more than before.
नहीं.
You must have. You just
Yeah,
don't realize it.
that AC was on all the time as well.
So now you have 2 ACs going at the same time, all the time, and you got the same bill as before.
Why do you think I'm stupid?
Because you are now.
As soon as this one came, that one was shut
अच्छा, वो
off.
बंद है?
Obviously.
You just said both of them were working constantly.
Did I say that?
Yes, he did. He said the inside one was working constantly. Everybody's agreeing.
That's what you were really
No, absolutely not.
AB, replay it. You must have. You just don't realize it.
That AC was on all the time as well.
हम अबू नंबर 1 ही हैं, हमारे बच्चे 2 हो गए हैं। अबू नंबर 1, अबू नंबर 1, डैडी नंबर 1, डैडी नंबर 1, पिता नंबर 1, पिता नंबर 1।
Nee, this is Tareem's first episode also.
Hi, Tareem.
And she was also saying like, you guys are boring as hell.
No, I didn't say.
ये सारा post में आता है।
क्या मतलब, MP makes it all happen।
नहीं, हम अभी मेरी बहन का इंटरव्यू करके आए कि हम इस तरह जा रहे हैं कुकिंग और क्या, तो उसने कहा मैं भी देखती हूँ। यासिर जो है ना वो बेस्ट है।
बेस्ट।
वो हाथ कभी धोते हैं कभी नहीं धोते हैं।
मैं 2 बार धोता हूँ, कौन ये कह रहा है कि मैं नहीं धोता?
मेरी 12 साल छोटी बहन।
She doesn't know Jack from Jill. 12 years old and she doesn't know. I need to debate her. ये देखें, पहला मोमो। मो प्लस मो मिक्स मोमो। देखो, इसके अंदर भी हम पानी डाल के इस प्लेट को इसके अंदर बस वैसे ही डाल सकते हैं, इसी तरह, ये इस तरह।
Are you mad?
नहीं, but एक
लेकिन इसमें सिर्फ एक इशू है कि ये
Oh, that's a good idea.
ऊपर से बंद नहीं होगा।
क्यों नहीं होगा? ये
नहीं,
है ना, ये बंद हो गया।
Got it. Fill this up with water. Let's start doing it already.
Okay.
यार आपने अपना बर्थडे कैसे मनाया?
Edit करके.
You guys are all welcome to come and give birthday bumps. Off camera it doesn't count and nobody will allow you.
कि हम कितने साल के हो गए हो, कितने दिन हैं?
How old do I look?
टोपी के साथ या टोपी के बगैर?
Oh, this is a good question.
At least 46.
Don't make it my head. 46.
टोपी के साथ 26.
I'm actually 30.
Actually,
Yeah.
today you're 30. नहीं. Actually, you're 30.
झूठ बोल रहा है।
नहीं, he's 30.
Man, I'm 30 and we're doing this stupid show.
है ना?
What is our life?
Excuse me.
Man, I'm 30, dude.
Yes.
Now I'm depressed. Now I'm gonna go shopping.
यार ये तो फिर बहुत बड़ी सेलिब्रेशन आज होनी चाहिए।
Celebration हो चुकी है।
These guys threw me a surprise.
कुछ दिन पहले हुआ था।
They gifted me a lot of aftershave, which made me think that I'm smelly.
परफ्यूम। ये पानी का ये नुक्ता लेके ये लिप्स में लगाया है इस तरह, ताकि चैप्ड ना हो।
Is that too much?
I don't know what too much is. I'm still doing trial by error.
अब न्यू टेक्निक कर रहे हो फिर।
अब ये हम स्क्विगली टेक्निक कर रहे हैं बस सर, ये बस जो भी है।
We were discussing that Yasser is depressed because he's buying things on Instagram.
Decoration pieces, like buying art, buying.
No, I'm buying random like clothing items and food items.
That's for
That's
sure
really
depression.
depressed.
Like I just got that snack box ad, आपको नजर आया होगा on Instagram.
मुझे नहीं आया।
जिस तरह टोक्यो का
Not everyone is
Japanese
depressed like
snack
you, they
box
don't get
नहीं
the
है।
same.
तो there's a Pakistani snack box that's recently launched. So I just decided to just get one and see what it's like.
It's okay, आपका
Just make one big
birthday
dumpling.
आप
A dump. Humongous dump. सोया सॉस वाला डिप भी बनाना है दोस्त।
नहीं, वो
के
मैं-
अंदर वाले ऊपर वाले ये सोया सॉस है
Yeah,
ना,
sriracha के
बस हम
साथ
सोया
कुछ
सॉस ही बनाएंगे। सोया को sriracha के अंदर मिक्स करके डिपेट के सारे सॉसेस मिक्स करके अंदर थोड़ा सा फ्रेंच अनियन कह रहा हूँ, हरा प्याज डाल के,
सेम थिंग।
Spring onion.
स्प्रिंग अनियन, सॉरी बाहर अनियन, यस बाहर नहीं जाना है।
Oh man, when you people come in, the joke seems so lame.
देखा कामिल हंस रहा है। You guys are doing nothing. Kamil's like
In real life it's just this.
Kamil is the producer of a fantastic Pakistani film called
Lal Kabutar, Red Pigeon.
Red pigeon. Actually,
Kabutar Pigeon hota hai?
smell hard.
Yes,
Nice.
he is the producer of Red Pigeon. You are the founder of Kala Tota.
Don't say that. You saw Lal Kabutar?
Yes,
Yes.
thoroughly enjoyed.
Awesome.
Amazing production.
And
The team.
Ahmed Ali Akbar, who is the lead.
Oh,
He's also
what an actor
he's also in,
Parizad,
which is also starring.
the Latifa Queen, the Latifa King, Adil Afzal.
What a world we live in. What a small world.
Yes.
Hello. Oh, cute. Playing it for the camera.
Now you take over. I'm taking a break.
Oh, cute.
Bye.
Mikhail, did you take my pawn? I have no idea. No idea what's going on here.
Did you do it?
Yeah.
Oh, well done. Yes. कितनी देर अब इसको 10?
He so wants to be on camera.
Yeah.
No, he just wants to see ball.
I hate that.
He just wants to see ball.
Oh.
A year now. But like I got
Oh. Should we pretend like that's his first word?
Oh my God! He just said his first word.
Because said again.
So he's right now. I'm literally. He's farting. As we speak, he's farting. Mix it. That's Yoshi. You should there. The question is निकाले का किस तरह आप ये इतने गरम प्लेट है
Yes,
हाँ इंडिविजुअली इसी तरह बस पिक कर लेते हैं तो ये ज़्यादा पक गया
पक्के ज़्यादा.
ज़्यादा बाहर से थोड़ा सा
आराम से. Oh, that's done, man.
That's well done.
Okay, first lot, very thick dough. अभी ज़्यादा गरम तो नहीं है आप take it at your own pace.
जल गया तो जल
कोई जल्दी
गया।
नहीं है रख रहा हूँ
ज्यादा से ज्यादा फीलिंग्स हर्ट हो जाएंगी अपने आप।
नहीं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा साल्मोनेला हो जाएगा लेकिन फिर ठीक है.
वो alhamdulillah he does. I'm glad.
Good.
Vinayak, can you go?
Dough is thick.
मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है तो अगर ये बुरा भी हो मुझे बहुत मस्त लगेगा तो पहले ही बता दूं
मस्त.
Good job guys.
Really? Nice.
I think the next batch will be better.
So the filling
I need to try it.
is really nice. The dough is thick.
थोड़ा सा thick है. Next वाला
It's
ठीक
like
होगा.
THI double C thick boys. But it's really good. Feel आई है?
दो तो बहुत thick है.
बहुत thick है. मावा बहुत अच्छा है वैसे. मावा is top quality मावा. So you are saying we did a great success.
I am saying you are a great
This
success.
would make for good prison food.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you. सोचो you're like literally enter jail. Here's your momo. ये आपका मोमो रात के लिए.
Okay, bye guys. Bye bye.
Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes, Tareem. How do you feel about your garlics? She is speechless as always. She is speechless. It's too hot, exactly. माइक किधर है? आपको ऊंचा बोलना होगा क्या?
It's really hot.
It's hot.
It's really good.
It's fresh. You are saying these are the best momos you've ever had in your entire life.
No. No. Not the best.
You want to lie then?
No, I'm not gonna lie. Why do you want me to lie?
Go on, go. मजा आ रहा है आपको? आप खुश हैं?
स्टफिंग भी और भी चीजें डाल सकते थे
जैसे कि
चिकन आई फील लाइक इट्स ओवर स्टफ्ड लाइक बहुत ज्यादा चिकन ही डाल दिए
बीफ डालते हैं थोड़ा सा.
No, I meant like
shrimps भी बीच में
veggies,
डाल
थोड़ा सा
देते हैं. तो मावा की गलत मेरी गलती है. It's my.
मुझे नहीं पता किसकी गलती है द रेसिपी इज परफेक्टली फाइन
Okay, now it's perfectly fine. Okay. यार ये वैसे हाँ हमारे छोटे छोटे बन और ये फैल रहे हैं. ये फूलते हैं
दैट्स
थोड़ा सा.
एक्चुअली ओह ओके
It's interesting, नहीं? This science.
What is the science, man?
Why the science, man? What is the sense? Science is the man.
Yeah.
Man can do everything, not a science.
The man is the science.
The man is the
Are you
science.
not feeling hot?
I am, but I have committed to something. I will
What is this? Why?
power through.
Rouge is just blazed through 3.
यार आप सारे खा रही हैं. मतलब कि क्या?
While you were talking, now she was just like, yeah.
नहीं अब तो you have to label our momos as the best momos that you've ever had in your life.
I don't think you've ever had momos like this ever before.
It's actually not hot yet.
Yum 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 yum. It's the best yum 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 you've ever had, Mikhail. Yes, he's saying it's the best yum 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 I've ever had in my life. He dropped his car. That's how yum 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 it is. है ना Mikhail? Okay, I'm gonna take this off now.
Oh, loser.
अच्छा ठीक है, I am a winner. We will proceed ahead. We will power through.
Thank you,
Not the
Tareem.
right thing.
Thank you. Take care. See you next time. चलो अब मैं ब्रेक ले रहा हूँ.
Zoomies, yes, it's time for zoomies.
Yay, Zoomy time.
Also, shout out to the soundtrack, hey?
Yes. Shout out to soundtrack.
We're
Umar
not-
Ahmed and who else is in there?
Shiraz De Ionisis. We're loving the new song you guys have posted.
Amazing, beautiful, fantastic.
We've been cooking to it all day. It is 9:47.
9:47. Our shoot was originally supposed to begin at 2 o'clock. It started at 5.
5.
Anyways, it's a great success. We make dumplings, we made momos. Everybody's very happy.
Yeah,
There's a fresh batch. We're still eating. थोड़ा हम खा रहे हैं साथ साथ.
the Jugaru steamer is turned out amazing. Thank you guys, everyone who tasted, and hope this episode was entertaining enough for you guys. I'm gonna go and get some cupcakes.
Happy birthday to AR! Yeah! Pew, 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 pew. Nuclear bomb! Okay, thank you very much for watching, everybody. Really appreciate you. Really appreciate everything.
Thank you so much.
We'll be coming back with much more exciting stuff in the coming weeks. Hopefully we can make the episodes come out more frequently. Check us out on Patreon, check us out on everywhere else. Instagram, Twitter पे हम नहीं हैं.
Just like, subscribe, comment, share, bell icon.
Subscribe करें अभी आप जल्दी से.
Please subscribe करें यार.
Okay, bye. We're back in the rhythm, boys.
That's all it
We're
took.
back in the chaos. We just need some Hitler jokes.